Okay, traders, so let's start. Hi and welcome to our weekly market outlook. Hope that you are good, hope that you are well. And if you are following us, you have some great setups in our Telegram group. Okay, so if you will take a look on our Telegram group, if you were watching for those setups which I have sent it to you, okay, you can see that there was amazing setups which played very well. USD Chief was the greatest one. Okay, it gave us some nice money. Okay, DXY didn't play exactly I have told you. Okay, it break down and then it reverses. Okay, but we take all those trades on break even. Okay, here is the New Zealand cat which has pushed it upside, then it has reversed to the downside. Okay, but first it went down, then it went up. Okay, your cat has played out amazing. Okay, it goes really strongly to the downside, so now we are here and I will show you what to do, how to trade. Okay, here's the once again USD Chief, which has played out really well. Ripple didn't give us a sell setup. Okay, it just break up, so we just simply ignore it. Now I will show you what to do for the upcoming week. Okay, Canadian went up, went down. Okay, it went up for a little bit, then it went down. Okay, so as you can see there, okay, I show you how it, I think it's used. Yes, it's Canadian. It went up, now it started to push lower. Okay, I think that I have updated that setup. New Zealand USD has also went down, EuroCAD went down. Let me show. Okay, I didn't send you the setup, probably it's on trading view. Let me show there. Okay, here are the updates. Aussie yen, I'm still anticipating that wave to the upside. Okay, as you can see, we are playing out and I will describe you later. USD Chief, I do not recommend you to take any more yourselves because DXY or USD index looks much more for the upside. So take your profit. You should be taking off that profits over there. Okay, if you are sellers from there, okay, if you are having sales from there, you should take your trades off or take off your profit over there. Okay, Aussian, I have told you. New Zealand cat. Okay, let me show. It went a little bit up, now it has started to push down. Okay, I think that I reposted that setup. Your cat played out really well. Okay, as you can see, it went down, make new higher high, and then it aggressively went down. Okay, amazing. It give us a really nice setup. Ripple. Okay, here's the Ripple. If you have any setups, come on. Okay, as you can see, we didn't have any sell setup from that spot over there. It just went up, give us a buy setup. It went up again. Now we are forming some kind of sell setup, but we have to be careful. I will show you at the end of the webinar how you will trade that crypto pairs this week. New Zealand USD also, it has played out really well. Okay, so if you are following us, as you can see, I have told you exactly when to buy, when to sell that chart. Okay, amazing. Gold, what do we have there? The gold has just pushed up. Okay, now we will be watching that the gold will start to push lower. Okay, that will be a really nice trade to the downside. And in the upcoming week, we will be watching only for the sell setups. Okay, if you are not following us, you should, because when I will post the update there, you will get an idea on your email, or at least join our Telegram group. Okay, I have posted the link over there. Simply just join it and you will get the update. Okay, so let's start. I will start with the DXY with the USD index. Okay, we have to be really careful in the upcoming week on that chart. Okay, why? Because that was still a running flat. Okay, and until the price will not break that high, we are still in the running flat. Okay, so we will be watching on lower time frame that pair to push lower. Okay, but at the moment there are no signs of any reverse that it will push lower, so I'm anticipating that it will form or give us a expanded flat. So what does this mean? It will go and break that top. Okay, we will see a break of that top and that will invalidate that running flat. Okay, let me show you how. Here is the 4 hour. Okay, We have changed our view. We were first watching for our sells, okay, and lower time frame. I took the last sell and take it on break even. Now I change my mind, okay. I didn't change my mind, but actually the pattern has slightly changed, okay. So that give me another view on my chart, okay. So what I will do, I will watch how it will form in upcoming days. It will definitely, almost 99% it will break that top, okay. Okay, and if that will break that top, and if it will be still aggressive, we will see that wave, it will start to push higher, okay. So, and what is the other scenario? Other scenario which can appear is that the price will go a little bit higher, went down aggressively, give you a correction, then you can take the trade to the downside, okay. But without having that correction, you should not be a seller over there, okay. But DXY has much more potential to push higher. Okay, on the other charts, on the other USD pairs, I see that one wave is missing. Okay, I will show you now on the charts what I'm anticipating on the USD. Okay, some of my traders has taken that sell. Okay, they are in the nice profit. So what you can do, okay, we will be also trading that wave. There is the nice wave to the downside. At least take that bottom. So I hope you will guys watch it closely and you will be able to join that wave. Okay, so how we will join it? Let me show you. You wait on the 15-minute corrections. You will be keep adding, keep adding, keep adding. Okay, you will be adding all the way back to that bottom. Okay, let me show you on 1 hour. Okay, so you wait. Okay, be careful now. Without correction, do not sell from that spot. Okay, you need a correction before selling. Okay, and when the price will break that bottom, move that trade immediately on break even because it can reverse to the upside. Okay, so, or if you want to be much more safer, wait for the clear breakout, wait for the nice correction, then take the trade to the downside. Okay, this is the nice trade which can also go and form totally new lower low. Okay, so your eyes are on, but first target is there. Okay, this is your first target. I think that this is a really nice profit here. So you guys should keep an eye on your sell setups on lower time frame. 50-minute or 30-minute will be enough. Okay, 30-minute correction is enough over there, which can easily push that pair to the downside. Okay, so keep your eyes on. So I will also add more trades. USD Chief. Okay, we have we were trading those trades, sell, sell, sell. Okay, and that last which I have posted to you on Telegram group was that. Okay, let me show you here on 50-minute. There was many setups which I have sent you. Okay, and last one was there which I took, take off my profit immediately. Why? Because I knew that this correction cannot go like that. Okay, so I'm not so optimistic, and when I am joining those waves, I'm taking a profit off one-to-one risk graduation, and then I was off. Okay, so then the price has reversed and started to push higher. So now we have to be careful. Now we are on the spot where we need a clear correction to this side. Okay, so that can give us a bit bigger correction, and it will push higher based on our DXY or USD index. Okay, this will go and can easily go tag that high. Okay, so without having a really nice buy setup, you should not be a buyer over there. Okay, so on lower time frame, keep your eyes on that correction, how it will plays out or how it will form. Okay, it's much more important how it will form than how it will plays out. So your eyes should be there. Then you will take the trade and see how it will go. Okay, but move on break even. That could be a fast trade. USDN. Okay, we are at the top of the structure. We need at least bigger correction. We need something like that before it will continue to the upside. Okay, so let's take a look on daily. Okay, on daily, I can see that this can slightly pushing higher, but if we will have a sell setup on lower time frame over there, I will take the trade. Why? Because that can easily fall. Okay, first I will be targeting that level. Okay, then I will be careful around that previous trend line. And then my third potential target is previous bottom on daily. Okay, so I will be watching a 50 minutes. Okay, on the 50-minute chart is not ready. Okay, as you can see that this is keep forming buy setups. Okay, and it can slightly push to that trend line, and from there it can show you that it will reverse to the downside. Okay, so be patient. Now we don't have a sell setup, and you should not be take any sells from the spot like that. Okay, and this is not sell setup. Okay, so when I will tell you that this it will go down, it doesn't mean that you will immediately jump into the trade, put your stop loss like that, and see how it will plays out. No, this is not the way of trading, and you should not do something like that. Wait on lower time frame for a correct or nice sell setup. Okay, without a correction or without a setup, you should not be a seller. So watch first for that sell. USD cat. Okay, as you can see, this is slightly pushing higher. Okay, and also based on USD index, this is the trade which I anticipated. And if you'll see a 1 hour, okay, there is the nice correction which is forming over there and which is almost completed. If you watch a 50-minute time frame, you will see that this it can go something like that, give you that kind of correction, then it will go up. Okay, if you will take that trade, be careful around previous stop. Okay, so I will tag the previous stop, so we will exactly know where you will have to be careful. Okay, so if you'll take that trade, be careful when the price will tag that high, you have to immediately move on break even and see how the chart will plays out. Okay, if I will have time, I will also update you in Telegram, and I will also post that chart on TradingView. Okay, so guys, you will know what to do. Cadian, what do we have there? That one is the chart which I'm anticipating to fall slightly lower than right now. Okay, this is my first target which I will be anticipating, but at the moment I don't see that really nice setup which will show me that the chart will go down. Okay, at the moment I will have to wait how this it will plays out, and if this will give me some kind of correction like that, I will take the trade and I will see. Okay, you have to be really careful around previous bottom. Okay, because it can easily reverse, give you a new high, and then it will drop. Okay, so this is a scenario which can take you out with stop loss if you will not be careful. So yes, watch how that will plays out. Let me see on 5 minute correction. Okay, yes, that can easily give you something like that. Then it will start to fall. Okay, so if you will connect those bottoms, just watch for aggressive breakout. Okay, selling without having aggressive breakout, it's also risky. Okay, Aussie yen. Okay, since Okay, since last weekly market outlook, we were watching that chart to push higher. Okay, it has pushed higher. So what we will do now, that's still not the chart where you will trade the sell. Okay, this is the correction where you can take the sells, but at the spot where it is right now, I do not recommend that you will take any sells. Wait, because that can easily push high. Okay, let me show in 4 hour. That's much more easier to show in 4 hour. Yes, as you can see, okay, this was the from the previous weekly market outlook last Sunday. It went up, and now we will do the same. Okay, just extend your trend line. Okay, and you will see and you will watch. First, you will watch how the chart will behave around that trend line. Okay, it may go a little bit lower, but that still doesn't mean it will go down. Okay, it can still reverse to the upside, complete that pattern, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, so watch it. Watch the 5-15 minute, okay, and see which setup will form there for you. Okay, that will probably go like that, like that, like that, and then it will push higher, and then it will start to push lower. So don't sell. If you're in from that, move on break even and watch the trend line. If the chart will be aggressive there, okay, you will watch for the other correction, then you will take the trade. Okay, so I hope that you see the difference now on the chart and how you will trade it. Yeah, and this will be really nice trade. You can start watching for sell when the price will break that top. Okay, if it will start pushing higher, and if you will have a nice buy setup, and if you will take that buy, take off your profit when the price will break that high. Okay, because that can, after that high is breaking, it can reverse at any time. Okay, and that will be aggressive reversal. Okay, it can be something like that. As you can see, we can see a really aggressive wave to the downside. Okay, and you should not miss it. Why? Because that will push the euro yen, ASEAN all the way to that bottom. Okay, keep your eyes and you'll see how it will plays out. Okay, Aussie USD. Okay, it's pushing lower. That correction is now finished, and you can now watch on 50-minute time frame how that will plays out. Okay, let me just draw that correctly. I was okay. That will give you something like that. Okay, it will push higher. That doesn't mean you will take that buy. Okay, guys, do not take that buy. Okay, you will watch now how the price will behave around that high, and if the price will hold and give you on lower time frame a nice reaction, you can take that sell. Why? Because that can go really far and give you a nice movement. Okay, at least that. And if this move will be aggressive, it can easily break through the trend line and you will have a really nice trade. Okay, but at least you will have that move. Okay, and if it will progress, you will have that kind of move. Okay, this is the really nice move which will give you a really nice money. Okay, so your eyes are on the New Zealand chief. Okay, that one looks like it will give me a much bigger correction. If I move on 1 hour, I can see that this will push higher, give me a bigger correction, then it will start pushing lower. Okay, so I don't see that this is the sell setup. Okay, this is not the sell setup. Only buyers can watch that correction, how it will plays out. Okay, so as you can see, okay, first we will be watching okay, that's not trade of the moment. Okay, I'm not interested to go against the trade, and I will just watch that buy and then I will start focusing on that sell. Okay, why I'm not watching for that buy? Because then I will 99.9% miss that sell. Okay, that's just the psychological trading. So you should not be taking that buy. Just watch it. Okay, and focus on sell when it will be at the top. New Zealand yen, it's pushing down. Okay, we will see now a really nice wave. Okay, but now is the again spot where you will have to be careful. Okay, this is not the sell. Okay, and you cannot take the sell from there. Why? Because can easily give you that wave which will just go and tag that high. Okay, or it will at least just broke it for a bit and then it will reverse aggressively to the downside. Okay, so I hope you will understand. So what you will do, you will wait that the price will completely break that trend line, wait for the correction, and then you will take the trade. Okay, and selling from spot like there, it's risky and I do not recommend you because it can easily take you out. Okay, and it's not worth of taking a loss. So trade it safely. New Zealand cat pushing to the downside. Okay, as you can see, sell, sell, sell. Okay, this is on the trading view posted on the idea which are published on my profile on trading view and you can take it. Okay, sell, sell. It will push down, but I do not recommend that you will take those sells over there. Okay, when the price will be there, just watch it. You can just take the profit from trade from here or that one. Okay, New Zealand USD is pushing down and it will keep pushing down. Okay, wait for the correction and then take that trade. Okay, when the price will be around that bottom, you should not be a seller. Okay, you have to have a sell placed over there. Okay, somewhere there or even lower. Okay, that will be your sells. Okay, this was the amazing trade. Okay, have posted also on TradingView under the published ideas. You will be able to take the trade. Okay, so watch for the similar correction. Okay, let's say something like that. Where is it right now? Okay, so what you will do, you will wait for the something like that, then you will take the trade. Okay, it's easy. Wait for the correction, take the trade, and move on break even and see how it will plays out around previous bottom. Okay, I see that this New Zealand USD will go a little bit lower, much more lower. Okay, at least that move I'm anticipating over there, so that's really nice profit. Okay, let's go. Silver XAGUSD, nice trade, okay, which will start to break lower really soon. Okay, so what you will do, you will watch that on lower time frame. Okay, even on 1 hour it will be enough. Okay, this is the pattern which is completed for me. So what I will do now, I will just keep my eyes on and see how it will start to push lower. Okay, just see that formation now. Okay, we can see a nice trade going down. So yes, your eyes are there. Same as gold. Okay, XAUUSD is a nice chart and similar like XAUUSD, like silver. Silver and gold are sometimes really same charts. Okay, so you will do the same. As you can see, there was the buy setup. Okay, the gold can spike up a little bit. Okay, it can just spike up to tag that bottom and then it will reverse aggressively to the downside. Okay, I don't see that this will go aggressively to the upside. Okay, but let's see. I don't have now the sell setup. Okay, it's at the moment we have a buy setup which is forming over there. Okay, and which can complete that move. Okay, let me tag that setup. This is the setup which can play it out over there, and this is why you have to be careful with your sell. You cannot jump into that sell. We are not ready yet. Okay, the chart will tell you when it will be ready. So at the moment we are having a buy which can be tricky at that spot. Okay, and I also don't recommend you that you will take that buy. Why? Because that it can reverse to the downside and you will miss the sell and you will have a losing trade. Okay, so you did a really bad job. So only watch for your sell setups. Aussie New Zealand, okay, it's pushing up. Okay, we had a nice push over there and you will watch on lower time frame. Okay, how that will plays out and you will take the trade. You will move on break even as soon as the price will tag that high. Okay, I will label or tag the top for you. Okay, I will also show you what you will have to be careful. Okay, you will watch that how it will plays out, and if you have there any aggressive movement you will take the trade. Be careful when the price will, if the price will stop there, move that trade on break even. Okay, you will move on break even and see if the price will give you a much bigger correction, you will re-enter the trade again. Okay, so this will be a really nice wave to the upside if it will plays out like I have shown you. Okay, but without having any aggressive move to the upside, it's not valid. Okay, so your eyes are on. Okay, is the wave. First watch there, then watch there. Okay, but until there you will have a really nice percent which will be made it for you. Chief yen. Okay, so what do we have there? The price has started to push lower. Okay, I want it to show me or to give me at least that move. Then I will decide if that will continue to the upside or that will continue to downside. Okay, but first I will be watching for that sell. So in the upcoming days, I will see this plays out, take the trade and see. Okay, your eyes are on that sell. Your Aussie. Okay, your Aussie, it can go down. Okay, one more down can be there and then it will go up. Okay, so stay away if you're not skilled enough. Okay, as you can see, that can just easily go down, or it can just go down like to tag that previous bottom. Okay, and then it will reverse to the upside. So be careful. It can plays out with you. Okay, if you're not skilled enough. So rather do not take that sell. Okay, wait for the buy. Yen. Okay, that one was the amazing trade. Okay, some of my traders has taken that sell from spot like there, I think. Center, I think he was into the enter. Let me see. I think that I have taken screenshot from his enter. I will show you. Okay. As you can see, one of our traders has a really nice entry. He's into the entry from 730. Okay, we were anticipating that wave and he took a really nice trade. Okay, he has a top entry and his entry is somewhere there. Let me see, 730. Take a look. something like that. Okay, as you can see, he already into that trade. Why? Because we know what it will happen when the price will break that top. Okay, you see. So these are the really good benefits with our trading community. Okay, we are in the trades, or we know what it will happen before it will appear over there. Okay, so what you will do now, let me show you what you will do. Okay, you will wait for the correction like that, then you will take the trade. Okay, but without having correction like that, you will not be jumping into that trade. Why? Okay, let me show you why. Because again, that can easily now give reverse. Okay, and just go take the trend line, and then it will reverse the answer. So what does this mean? If you will enter it over there from that spot, it will take you out with a losing trade. Okay, so what my traders will do, they will just close that on break even, and they will be keep smiling, and they will just wait for the price to tag that trend line. Then they will take exactly the same scenario or exactly the same trade like they did here. Okay, they'll take that trade and they will see how it will plays out. Okay, so this is the spot where you have to be careful. This is the spot where you can have a losing trade just because of that scenario. So like I said, wait for the bigger correction, then take the trade. Don't just jump into the trade on your 1 minute time frame. Okay, it can just carry risk. Okay, and we are also sometimes trading on 1 minute chart. Okay, we need that 1 minute chart because it's really important to see our direction of movement in the right time, and that give us a really nice risk to reward ratio. Okay, and yes, sometimes we are really sticking to 1 minute time frame, especially when we are at the bottom or at the top. Okay, but you have to be really careful when you're trading 1 minute. You have to be really skilled and know what you are looking. Okay, so let's move on. Eurocat, nice and wonderful trade, which I have also posted in Telegram and TradingView. Okay, wonderful trade. Okay, that you have one entry from here. There is another one which is forming. If you're not in, wait. Okay, I hope that I will have time to post that analysis in the Telegram like I did for that one. Okay, if I'll take a look, I think that I have posted that in the Telegram. Let's see, let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's see. Uh, Yep, Eurocat. I think that I have posted it right there. You see, I have posted there what you will have to be careful or what you will be watching. They take the trade, they are on break even, and they will see how it will play out. Okay, enter was from there, I think so. Okay, nice trade. You are safe. Move on break even, and let the chart go. For the others who are not in, wait that to complete. It will probably give you something like that. Then it will continue to downside. Okay, if you will catch the entry for somewhere there, okay, all those will be good spots. Do not sell at that spot, okay, because it can go break that bottom and then it can reverse to the upside. But I think it will, but you have to be careful if in any case we'll do that scenario. Okay, so yes, those who take the trade, which I have shown you in the Telegram, take your profit or see how the price will behave around that previous bottom. Okay, when you will be happy with your profit, you can just take off that profit. Okay, Aussie cat, same scenario. Watch for the price to continue to the downside. Watch 15 minutes. That can plays out something like that, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, so this is the nice chart and nice setup which is in the making right now. And yeah, your eyes should be in that one. If this will become really aggressive, you will just simply skip it. You will not be watching it anymore. But if the price will give you a nice price action on lower time frame there, you can take the trade to the downside. Okay, it will be a wonderful trade. Or wait for strong breakout. Okay, but I don't think that there it will be a good spot for selling. Okay, rather watch that high. That high, it will be really interested to take the sell. Your chief. Let's see. Okay, you achieve. I'm anticipating a bigger correction before it will continue to downside. Okay, why? Because the daily looks like it will go and tag that bottom. Okay, so there is a really nice wave which is coming over there. Okay, but without having a bigger correction. Okay, as you can see, we'll go maybe a little bit lower, but we need at least a bigger correction before it will go down, okay? Or it can go like that, then it will go down. So without having a bigger correction, I don't see it will drop, okay? At least now. I will let you know when you will be ready for that sell. Okay, let's see. It's on the tricky spot. If you're not skilled, I do not recommend you to take that sell. Okay, you can watch that 1 hour correction how it plays out, but we are not on good spot to take that sell. Okay, you're not skilled to take these setups. Okay, so rather stay away from it. Why? Because this can be a running flat, and if this it will continue out, it will just take you out with a losing trade. Okay, that could be a running flat, and if this is a running flat, we will see a really nice buy over there. So don't take those trades, rather wait for a correction which will go lower, and then you will simply take this trade. Okay, Aussie Chief, let's see. We are pushing lower. I see that this correction, it will push a little bit higher, give you a new high, then it will break down. Okay, let's see. Because this is the not spot where you will be selling. Okay, selling from there. No, I do not recommend you that you will sell that strong breakout. This is the really bad and tricky spot. You will rather wait for new high. Oh, sorry. Rather wait for break of that high, then watch that sell. Okay, it will definitely happen. Okay, like that. So selling from that, no, I not recommend you. It can easily go just tag that or break that. Okay, that will give you a really bad spot, and then it will go high and then it will go lower. Okay, that will take you out. So rather wait. Put your alarm over there and see how it will behave around previous top. Year GBP. Okay, let's see. That one it's a nice trade. Okay, I see that this it will start to push higher. Okay, at any time soon we will see that pound pair will be losing the momentum. Okay, so if I will see that pound index will be rising, then I will be anticipating a year GBP to drop, to rise, sorry. Pound index will be falling, and that falling on pound pairs will give us a rise on year GBP. Okay, so at the moment I see that there's a short trade which will form in upcoming days until the Wednesday or Tuesday maybe. We will see. Okay, but I'm not interested into that sell. If you'll watch on lower time frame, let's see. Okay, I'm not interested. It can easily go make something like that, give you their new lower low, and then it will start to push higher really aggressively. Or it can just aggressively break, take that bottom, and then it will start to reverse from the upside. So what I do recommend you to wait for the nice buy setup. Okay, wait for the break of the trend line, wait for that correction, then take the trade to the upside. Okay, that will be a nice trade, at least tagging that highs. Okay, so your eyes will be on your lower time frame to give you a buy setup. Pound Aussie. Okay, as you can see, I said that pound will be dropping. So pound is, oh, sorry, pound will be going down. Okay, at least taking that low. Okay, so this is a nice wave. At the moment, the price is not ready. It can give you something like that. Then you will watch. Okay, you will watch that correction, how it will plays out. Let me just show you. Okay, this is the correction which you will be watching. Okay, something like that. You will be watching for that strong break to the downside. Pound cat. Okay, it's already breaking to the downside. Okay, let me show you the 4 hour. 4 hour will be pushed all the way to that bottom or tag that trend line. Okay, so if you have any sell setups on your lower time frame, just take that trade. There are nice money coming. Okay, and there will be a many setups which you will be able to take. So no rush. Wait for the correction, take the trade. Wait for the correction, take the trade. Okay, so easy. Pound chief, same scenario. Wait for the correction, take the trade. Pound yen, wait for the correction, take the trade. Okay, there are the nice trades coming in those days. Okay, as you can see, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. We will see a drop to the downside. Okay, so like I said, slowly now, don't rush or don't jump into those running candles. If you are not in from the earlier spots, okay, from or those high, do not jump from spots like that. Wait for the correction and then take the trade. Be patient, guys. That can just only take you out to a losing trade. All of the pairs are the same. Wait for the correction, then take the trade. Okay, wait for the correction, take the trade. Pound USD. Wait for the correction, take the trade. Okay? So you will know what to do on your pound pairs. Okay, since last week or since last weekly market outlook, I have told you take the trade. Okay, but as you can see, it has started to reverse to the upside. So if you take off your profit, or at least you should have a break-even trade. Okay, so you will do the same scenario. Wait for the correction, take the trade to the downside. Cat chief, what do we have there? Okay, I don't like that behavior at the moment. Okay, but it will start to push higher. Okay, this it will definitely go to the upside. Okay, this it will start to push higher. So your eyes will be on lower time frame. This is not the buy setup at the moment. This is much more sell setup. So wait for the buy setup before taking that wave or that trade. Natural gas, wonderful trade. Okay, one oh there was also my trades. Okay, those are my trades. I have two trades open. One is almost 5%, which is giving me 5% on my trading capital. And another one is running with 2%, as you can see. Okay, so I'm in 7% of profit in natural gas. Okay, it's really nice profit, and I'm watching it closely how it will appear. You cannot now jump into the trade. You are too late, guys. You cannot do anything. Okay, just simply skip it. Wait for the correction, take the trade to reverse. This can go a little bit lower. Okay, I'm not also watching to add more trades. Okay, we break the previous bottom, so I will just simply watch a lower time frame how it will appear, and I will just take off my profit. Okay, maybe I will have something like, I don't know, 10% maybe of profit, and that's enough on my trading capital. Okay, only on that natural gas. So as you can see, one of my trade was there. Okay, this is my first trade which I have taken. Okay, and then I didn't move and break even. Why? Because I knew that this it will break down. I just simply add one more trade. So now you see my trades. Okay, this is the reason why I'm holding it, because this can go a little bit lower. Okay, but I will watch on 1 minute how it will appear, then I will take off my profit. I will not let the market to reverse and take me off, or take me off with break even trades. Okay, I will not be risking 7% of profit to close them on break even. That's not worth it. So I will, maybe at least the 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 last chance which I will give the market to breathe is 6%. Okay, I will take the market when I will have 6% of profit. So I will see. Okay, let's see. SP 500, that one will be a really nice trade. Just keep your eyes and patiently wait for that chart over there. Okay, wait for the sell setup, take the trade, because it can start going down. Okay, you can have something like that. Okay, so the similar wave will appear over there. It doesn't matter what the news are talking about or what the Trump is talking about. Okay, so you should not be focusing on news. Okay, you don't need to sit behind your screens and reading the news and reading about Trump, what he's saying. Okay, you are not interested in news. Okay, the news will always be fake, or news are always talking when something could happen, so you will have really bad entry if you'll be waiting on news. You have to be prepared on the market before the news will appear. Okay, because the chart will always tell you in the right time when it will reverse. Okay, the news will just help to push it stronger. Okay, so this is the reason why we are not that so focusing on the news. Okay, we are just watching forexfactor.com to see when something will happen, but we are not reading that news. Okay, so yeah, like I said, just watch lower time frame, see a good reaction, price action, take the trade, and you will see how it will play out. That will be a really nice trade to the downside. Okay? This is the similar scenario which will appear over there like on Bitcoin. Okay, as you can see, that chart which is pushing up, it will go down. Okay, at least that move will appear over there. Okay, something like that can appear there or completely reverse to the downside. Okay, so you should take that trade. It will be worth of taking it. Okay, I'm watching that every day and watching for that sell setup. Okay, so you should do the same. UK 100, it's pushing up, it can tag that high and then it will go down. So what you will do, you will watch for the sell setup, but the moment there is a sell setup that can just go a little bit lower, give you something like that, then it can just push a little bit higher. Okay, why higher? Because it can just go tag that high. Let me tag you the high. It can go tag that high, then it will reverse the downside. Okay, so patiently wait for that move to complete before you will take the sell. UK oil. Okay, UK oil is on tricky spot. It will go down. Okay, and this can also push higher, give new high, and then to reverse the downside. Okay, so without having a good correction, I do not recommend you to take that sell. Okay, see how this will plays out. Okay, how this will plays out, and watch that breakout. If this will be breakout like that, strong breakout, you can take the trade and be careful. Okay, when you will take the trade, move on break even immediately and see how it will plays out. US oil, same scenario. I don't need to repeat that again, but you have to be careful. That can go also tag new high. Why it can go tag that high? Because on 15 minute you can see that there is the nice buy setup which is forming and it can easily go higher. Okay, but I don't see for now it will go that so high, but we will see. Okay, just see and watch how that it will plays out. Okay, US 30, what do we have there? It's pushing higher. It's similar as SP 500, so you will watch for the reaction. Now you don't have any sell setup. Okay, just wait for the sell setup and take that sell to the downside. Okay, platinum, what do we have on platinum? I have posted that on TradingView. Okay, I was anticipating this, it will go down, but it didn't. So what you will do now, you are on the tricky spot. Okay, that can give you something like that, and then it will just simply continue to the upside. Okay, it will not give you that deep pullback. Okay, it can give you a running flat and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so if you watch on the 50 minute, that can reverse. If this will be strong breakout, take the trade and be careful around previous bottom. Okay, this is all what you can do now. Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin, it will go down. Okay, if I will show you the daily structure is showing me that this, it will continue to the downside. Okay, I don't see that big buy over there will appear now. Okay, at least now, without having a good buy setup, I don't see it will appear over there. Okay, I have seen that many of you are talking about Bitcoin, and yeah, they are talking about that huge buy which will appear over there, but the chart is not ready yet. Okay, for me, I will watch how this will plays out. Let me give you an hour. Okay, so why I will, oh Jesus, what was that? Okay, so what I will do now, I will watch for that correction. Oh, sorry, I will watch for the correction and I will see how it will plays out. Okay, I am rather sticking to the sell right now. I'm not interested into the buy. It doesn't, there are no signs of any buy, so you should not be a buyer on Bitcoin. Just watch for a sell setup, take that sell setup, and you will see how it will plays out around that previous bottom. Okay, but first, while I'm watching on Bitcoin, is that I will be targeting first that this it will become really aggressive move and we can see a strong wave which will go and tag that 300 price. Okay, those are my anticipations on Bitcoin, but that doesn't mean it will appear like that. It can slightly change, but I will inform you in every weekly market outlook what to do. Okay, so for now, like I said, I don't see that this will just start to push higher. Okay, there are no signs. Okay, so watch that. Watch that and see how it will plays out. Ripple, okay, let's see. That one, it's also, let's see, daily. Give me 5 minutes. That it will also go lower. Yep, let me see a 4 hour. Okay, wait for something that can go a little bit higher now, then it will go down. Then you will see in that move you will decide if this will go down or it will go up. But at the moment we can see something like that. It will go down or it can give you a correction, then it will go down. Okay, so yes, you will watch lower time frame to see, but at the moment I see that this is a really nice correction which will form over there. Take the trade and see immediately break on break, move and break even when the price will take that previous bottom. Okay, so make sure you will be safe. Okay, and we are again on DXY. Okay, that's all. Hope guys that you understand those setups and hope that you will know what to do in the upcoming week. So if you would like to join our trading academy, feel free to contact me over the Telegram or contact me on the trading queue, or just simply go to our website, Master Judo Trading Academy. Okay, and yeah, so till next week or till next Sunday, have a nice trading week and may the profit be with you. Take care, traders, and bye bye.